Hey ANCEL fam, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through the quickest way to renew your tool's software so you stay up to date and ready for any job. If you're using any of these models, you can renew directly on the device. I'll walk you through the process using the X7. First, make sure the device is connected to Wi-Fi. You'll notice this X7 subscription has already expired. You'll also see a reminder in the Update section. But don't worry, all your functions still work just fine. To get the latest software updates, you'll need to renew. Go back to the home screen, tap Update, then tap Renew. Choose how long you want to renew, pay with PayPal, enter your payment info, and boom, you're done. Super simple. If you're using one of these models, head over to ANCEL.com or just click the link in the description below. Click on Support, Software Update. Find your product, add it to the cart. Don't forget to enter your device's serial number in the Notes section. Then click Checkout. I've also got an exclusive discount code for you, ANCELRENEW, which knocks $5 off your order. This code is valid for 1 full year. Just fill in your payment info and place the order. Our support team will push the update within 72 hours. For DP500 users, once you get the upgrade confirmation, make sure to sign out of your account and log back in to complete the activation. For lifetime free update models, if your device comes with free lifetime updates, just hit Update on the device or download the PC tool from ANCELtech.com. If you've got any questions, just drop us an email at support@ANCELtech.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.